Here's how I make $3,500 every single week with simple YouTube videos. Tip number one, start a YouTube channel. Ideally, it's around a topic like health or fitness, tech, or food, but almost any YouTube channel topic will work. Tip number two is sign up for the Amazon Associates program. You can Google how to do this, and then all you have to do is make at least one sale in the first 180 days for your account to remain active. Number three, create simple videos related to the products on Amazon. These could be product reviews, product tutorials, or lifestyle videos that you may include in something like a vlog where you tie in the product to the content of your video. Number four, include trackable links in your YouTube description and the pinned comment to any products that you talk about in your YouTube video. Number five, make sure to include a disclosure so that you are in compliance with FTC guidelines. This might include something like, as an Amazon associate, I may earn qualifying commissions. Number six, and this is a big one, put your video on YouTube and make sure that it's easy to find so that lots of people watch it. And don't get discouraged if it takes you a few videos to get the hang of this. I'll never forget my first commission check from Amazon. It was only $2.12, but I stuck with it. I stayed consistent and I continued to learn new skills. So today I'm earning $3,500 every single week like clockwork. Which brings me to tip number seven, which is avoid the biggest mistakes that keep people from getting views and sales on their YouTube videos. And actually, if you want to learn about those mistakes and really my whole process for doing this, I do have a free 1-hour class that's available on demand. If you go to thinkmasterclass.com, you can register for that for free, or just click the link in the description down below. My name is Sean Cannell, your guide to building a profitable YouTube channel. Click or tap the screen to watch a video that YouTube thinks you'll really like, and I can't wait to see you in a future video.